del jardín, no comeréis su fruto, ni lo tocaréis, so pena de muerte. Pero Dios mintió a Eva, porque quería que se mantuviera desnuda e ignorante en su jardín.
When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman, and I feel it after midnight, a feeling that you can't fight my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is a woman.
¿Murió Eva cuando comió del fruto? Por supuesto que no. Pero nuestro señor Satán, en forma de serpiente, le dio el conocimiento y la liberó.
Ten cuidado, que muerdo. Es un pecado tapar algo tan perfecto.
On the street where you live, girls talk about their social lives. They're made of lipstick, plastic, and paint, so to see in their eyes. All your life, all your past, when your daddy gonna talk to you? But you were living in another world, trying to get a message through. No one heard a single word you said. They should have seen it in your eyes, what was going around your head. Oh, she's a little runaway. Daddy's curling fast, all those things they couldn't say. She's a little wrong.
Made it through the wilderness. Somehow I made it through. Didn't know how lost I was until I found you. I was beat, incomplete. I've been had. I was sad and blue, but you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new. Like a virgin, touched for the very first time. Like a virgin, when your heart beats.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel.
¿Quieres mi pecado?